There are a number of different ways to connect your Android device to the PCM to start Android Auto, one of which is via Bluetooth and the second is via a cable. First thing you do is select the Android Auto icon, and on your mobile device you'll select Settings, Connections, Bluetooth. Here you'll see the Panamera we're in. Select it. You'll see the device here on the menu. Select it there. Now it's asking you to pair via Bluetooth. Select Pair. Would you like to allow access to contacts? Your choice, but for this video we're going to select Allow. Also, the same question for messages. Allow. On the PCM screen you'll see here, New Device Detected. Would you like to launch Android Auto? Select Yes. Now you're connected to Android Auto via Bluetooth. Another way to set up Android Auto is to use your supplied charging cable. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the cell phone compartment and plug the other end into your phone. On the PCM, you'll see a pop-up that says New Device Detected. Select Yes. Would you like to allow access to messages? Choose what you like. We're going to select Allow. Your Android Auto is now configured and your phone is Bluetooth connected to the PCM.